how to add alt text in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add the alternative text to the images into the Hostinger website builder. This process is going to be let's say beneficial for the SEO search, and it will be given some description for the images that you are going to input or insert into your website. So how basically can we add the image alternative text? So we are going to head over hostinger.com. Then we are going to sign in into our HPanel dashboard. As you can see, this is the HPanel or dashboard. We're going to click on websites list, and then we are going to see the specific websites that we have. Now we are going to select one of the websites and click on edit website. Now we're going to wait for the website to load up. And from here, we're going to see the different elements that are going to be the component of our website. So for example, we can now add some alt text or alternative text to some of these specific spaces or specific images. Like as you can see here for the section image or the image right there for the background, we cannot represent it or add some alt text to it. But if we are going to see something like here are the products, also we can add it. But if we have some images like these, you can go ahead and click on edit image, and you're going to see for the image settings, we have the image and we have the alt text. So you're going to use the alt text to describe the image and help the search engines, like we have mentioned before, to understand your page content better. So you're going to see this only on the image settings. So I'm going to click on this or the next image to this one, and we're going to see normally the same process when you click on edit image. Click on here, you're going to put here the all text, I mean. So you can get the suggestion from the AI. For example, you're going to have here something suggested, but I'm going to put here something that is describing this specific image. So we can go ahead and add a specific description for this image. So I'm going to have this, and we are going to put here something like uh, here we have the plant on a cup to represent the product that we are selling in our store. For example, something like that. And you need to get a precise description of that product. For example, you can ignore that and put here something like plant on a pot, for example, like that. Or let's say here a great price, for example. You're going to have this alt text and you're going to see it right there. So the image is going to be defined by that alt text. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.